I'm Ian Musgrave. I'm the Premier Sous Chef at the Ritz Hotel London. I'm going to be representing the UK in the Bocuse store. As Team UK, we wanted to showcase the best of British, and that's from the produce to the design behind the concept to the refrigeration. We wanted to align quality with quality, and of course we want to be the best as Team UK, and we want to align ourselves with a refrigeration company that does that. Foster is built differently. As a chef, we rely on refrigeration. Freshness of product is key to creating the best dish possible. Temperature control, reliability, durability is key to what we do.
So I'm Tom Phillips and I'm the head coach for Team UK. As head coach, the role is kind of keeping Ian on track all the way through. Using my experience in the competition before to kind of give them a little insight on what they can expect on the day.
The Bocuse store is the greatest cooking competition in the world. It's held in Lyon, France, and it's 24 of the best teams in the world competing for that top spot.
So competing in a competition like this, it's absolutely vital to have quality refrigeration. That's why we've partnered with Foster. We wanted to work with a company that can match us on the levels of performance that we as chefs bring to the competition and the quality that we needed.
I first became interested in the Bocuse store through my chef John Williams, who he competed in the Bocuse store himself. Then in 2017 I went to see the final myself, and then in 2019 Tom actually competed, and that's when I kind of thought to myself, yeah, this is something I want to do. So as a team, we're looking at development and thinking about new concepts, but we're also thinking about where we can use British produce in these dishes to really showcase what we have to offer. So we're done here. Okay, thanks very much, guys.